Hello friends, welcome to Azure Databricks session. I'm creating series of videos to give a demo on how to build the lakehouse data platform. In today's demo, we are going to configure the Unity Catalog in Azure Databricks. Let us go for a demo now. Create a Azure Databricks. Let me go to create button. Select the resource group and then enter the workspace name. Here I am entering it as a demo ABC Limited. Next, you can choose the region you wanted to create. The pricing tier I selected as a premium because in upcoming session we are going to use the role based access, and then go to next. Enter the tag name, review and create the Databricks workspace. Workspace creation in progress now. Let us wait for few seconds. Workspace created successfully. Once workspace created, we need a storage account. Let me go to storage account, select the resource group and enter the storage account name, and then choose the region where you want to maintain your data. Here I am selecting it as a UAE North. I am selecting the redundancy as LRS. We need a ADLS Gen 2, right? So choose the hierarchical namespace. Enter your tag name, review and create. Create a access connector for Azure Databricks. Select the resource group as RG-demo. Enter the access connector name. Move next and enter your tag name. Review and create the access connector. Once the access connector is created, we need to give the permission from the storage account to access connector. Storage bucket already we created is a demo ABC Limited UAE. Open it and go to access control, and under the storage go to role assignment and add the role assignment. What is the role we are going to assign is a blob storage contributor role. Select the role and assign it to the manage identity. What is the manage identity we need to choose? It is a access connector. Select access connector for Azure Databricks and choose the access connector we created now. review and assign the role to the access connector. Next, open the workspace. Once the workspace opened, in the right hand side you can see manage account. Once the manage account page opened, go to catalog. This is the place where we can create a metastore. Here I am entering the metastore name. And choose the region as UAE North. You can have only one metastore for one region. You cannot create multiple metastore for a single region. Enter the ADLS path. The storage account already we created, right? It is a demo ABC Limited UAE. Under that, you should have one container. I have the container name data lakehouse, and I'm giving the storage account name. This is the pattern we need to follow here. Container name at the rate of storage account .dfs.core.windows.net. Open the access connector, copy the resource ID, paste it in a metastore. Now you connected the access connector into metastore. That access connector again connected into the storage. So access connector is a bridge between the metastore and the storage account in Azure. Now the metastore created successfully. Go to catalog again, select the metastore you created. Here the path referred is a Azure storage account path. This is the place all the data will store. And go to workspace. As of now, there is no workspace assigned for this metastore. Here in this place, you can see two workspaces. One is from the South India region, another one from the UAE North region. You can attach only the North region workspace metastore related to North region. Now we enable the Unity Catalog. Similarly, you can assign multiple North region workspaces into this Unity Catalog. Next, go to compute and create the compute cluster. Here I am creating a single node cluster because we are going to go for a demo only, not a real scenario. So I am creating a very lightweight cluster here. I am choosing a standard D3. When you choose the Databricks runtime, you need to think in mind that it should support the Unity Catalog. Create cluster now. Our cluster creation in progress. Cluster created successfully. Next, go to catalog and choose the metastore. Here, when you choose the metastore, automatically you can see some of the catalog created by default. Those are system catalog and main another catalog. Also we have the shared catalog, shared sample, all those things. Click on add button and create a new catalog. I am creating a catalog in the name of ABC Limited Catalog. Here I am creating the new catalog and selecting the catalog type as standard type. There are two other options are there. One is the foreign type catalog, another one is the shared type catalog. Let me cover in upcoming session. Once the catalog created, automatically it will give the default schema and then information schema. Okay, I'm creating the new schema in the name of sch underscore bronze. Bronze schema created successfully, and then go and create a table. You can create a table with the SQL syntax, or while uploading the file also automatically system will create a table. I uploaded a CSV file. I uploaded a CSV file. Once the uploaded data shown in the screen, you can hit on create table button. Table creation in progress now. Do refresh once. Table created successfully. When you click on a table, under the overview tab, the next window, right side window, you can see all the column and data. Now you uploaded a CSV file which created a table and inserted some record in it, where the records are stored. Under the detail menu, you can see the storage location. The first part is the metastore part. This is the metastore path. Under the table folder, one more subfolder created to store the data for the table we created now. This is the data file. Apart from this data file, you can see the delta log folder contains two more files. One is the JSON file, another one is the CRC file. CRC is nothing but a cyclic redundancy check. This is how you can configure the Unity catalog. With this, let us conclude the session. We will meet in next session. Thank you.